Okay, this is the American Standard shower valve, model 1675, and I will be showing you how to adjust this so you can have the temperature either warmer or cooler. Hey, so today I'm just going to show you how to change or adjust the temperature on a American Standard 1675 CA cadet faucet, or otherwise it's called like a valve, shower valve. So the problem I have is that when I'm taking a shower, I noticed the water wasn't hot enough. Keep cranking it, but then it would just kind of like, you know, it'd be limited to there, stop, and I couldn't go any further to the hot part. So then I decided to take it apart today, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to do this. So it's going to come with this plate here, right? And it's only basically got 2 screws, and you just take the 2 screws apart, and then this whole plate will come off. But before you do that, you have to remove this part. And how to do that is that you can actually see it clearly now. There's actually a little hole here for a little Allen. You need a little Allen tool to remove that. Okay, so once you put your Allen tool, okay, without losing this piece, the size is a T10 times 4, okay, whatever. And this little bit will come out, okay? And you just take that out. And then you can remove this piece. And then you do the 2 screws and take the plate out. And this whole thing will this whole assembly will come out, okay? And then basically you're gonna just touch this red little ring here. If you look closely, they're actually numbered. It says 0, you see number 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes all the way up to 7, 5, 6, 7. Well, basically I think up to here. Yeah, so what it is the higher the number, the cooler the temperature. So originally I had mine at 4, and it just wasn't, the water wasn't warm enough for me. So I turned it up basically probably to 1, and I just tested it. How you test it is you can easily, before putting it all in, is just mount this thing back on, right? Just mount this thing back on, and then you can just test the temperature. And then when it's good, before screwing everything back in, right, you can just test it this way. And once it's good, then you can put everything back on. And yeah, so it's pretty simple. You just kind of pull this ring out like so, and you just turn it. But you're gonna have to lift up a little bit just to give it some wiggle room. And then you see, just lift it up, and you just start turning it. You see that? Okay. So I had it at 1, which is pretty hot. So I'm just gonna leave it at number 2 here, and I think that's a good amount for me. And you can just turn it off like that. And that's it. And then you just kind of put the plate back on with the little cover, and you put the 2 screws in. Then you put the shower head handle back on, and then the Allen tool in. And then if you still have your little temperature thingy here, little cap, this is actually what covers the Allen hole key. The Allen hole screw. So you actually have to remove, pry this off first, and then you will have access to the bottom of the hole, and then you can actually see the Allen screw, and then you just pull that out. Okay, and once you have that fixed, yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, hope this video was helpful for you, and yeah, thanks for watching.